Working on a 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser with the 2UZ FE engine. Beautiful vehicle I'm working on here. So what's happening is the battery is dead. So we're going to change this out. Two 10 millimeter nuts right there. That might be a 14. It was a little bit low on oil, so top that off. Let's get started. I think these are, yeah, these should be 10. These should be 14s. Yep, 10. Always take the positive one off first, positive one on last. There we go. Make sure that doesn't touch anything, get that out of the way. Take the 10 off, or the negative, take the negative off. There we go. I think that's a 14. Yeah, I knew it. Trying to use a 1/4 inch socket on this, and it's not deep enough. I can get it here. Actually, just need to take off one bolt. Bring in the new one from O'Reilly's. Just adjust this from the new height to the new battery. Tighten that up. Get a 14 millimeter wrench, tighten that up. Then I'll get my little Christmas tree and clean up these terminals. Wow, so this actually ended up being a 13 millimeter, not a 14. I was able to loosen it, but to tighten it, it wasn't getting tight. So it's a 13 millimeter. Someone must have changed these out because you never have 13 millimeters on Toyotas or Hondas or Japanese vehicles. It's always 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, 19. Okay, snug that down. Double check this one. Good to go. Got the Christmas tree here. I charged this battery up before I installed it with my NoCo Genius charger. Love that thing. Okay, this needs to get opened up a little bit. If I get it back off. Be prepared to shut the alarm off. All right, I think we are good. Double check that. That's good. Get this out of here. Had to top the oil off. Grab these tools. Let's see if it starts up. Wow, sounds amazing. Yep, it works. Let me show this to you. Look at this. Check this out. Got the key. Key fob needs to be fixed. Sounds amazing, dude. Sounds amazing. Love this thing. Goes back and forth. Runs real nice. All right, guys, that's how you change out a battery on a 1991 Toyota Land Cruiser 100. The 4.7 liter. 253,576 miles. Which is not bad. Needs some fuel. Other than that, everything looks good. Everything looks good. All right, guys, there you go. Hope this helped you out. If you can, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.